Hi there, I'm Mike Sullivan. I created Born to Shine to share with K through 6 students to help them reduce their anxiety and depression and turbo boost their self-esteem, their self-confidence, and their sense of worth. School assembly. That's number one. 60 minutes, they learn the three SEL tools. Then after a week, we do a check-in. That's step number two. That's 60 minutes as well, all through Zoom, where your students get to share their wins by sharing which tool helped them the most and how they taught their brother or sister or a friend. Now they're really implementing these tools and turning them into healthy habits. And number three is aftercare. They have 12 months access to a course that I took in one entire year as a pilot and studying it and testing it. So it's kid tested and mother approved. And it's basically Netflix for kids. And it's tons of additional support. So if they're struggling with being bullied, they click on bullied. If they're struggling with internal critic and they're hard on themselves, they click on internal critic. Test anxiety, they click on that. Whatever they're struggling with, they click on the little 90-second video, and I'm right there to walk them through it. So it's a three-tier approach, and it creates profound results. If any of this sounds of interest to you, I'd love to show you a 10-minute demo over Zoom, just so you can determine if it's a fit for your school district. And if it is, wonderful. And if it's not, totally cool. I'm here for you, and all of your students were born to shine.